What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're shooting a little 4K 60 video with the iPhone 17 Pro Max out by the lake where I normally shoot at. And we're gonna see how this resolution looks here. Do some walking, let you guys hear the audio, see how stable it is as well. And just check out the camera quality here. So it's a beautiful day out here as well. 4K 60. Gonna check the zoom as well. So that's 4 times zoom, 8 times zoom right there. That is the airport over there. I'm gonna zoom in some more. That's 24 times zoom right there. And it's very detailed looking. The viewfinder is very clear to see as well. I'm gonna bring it back in. So that's 1 time zoom right there. Very beautiful. So I got my brother-in-law over there. He finally got himself a Z Fold 7. He's shooting a little video with that. Right there. Visiting from Miami. We're gonna move to a different spot. Let you guys see some more video footage. Got you coming in. That's it, huh?